Do you want to search conversation in Messenger? You can find specific messages on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to search conversation in Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Searching conversations in Messenger is a way to quickly find specific messages within a chat thread. It's helpful when conversations get long and you need to locate the information you remember someone saying earlier. Searching specific chats helps you to avoid scrolling through numerous chats to find a particular conversation or message. To search for a chat conversation in Messenger, first open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in the Messenger, navigate to the chat conversation you want to search within. You can do this by tapping on the chat from your chat list or using the search bar at the top of the home screen to find the person or group. Once you've opened the chat, tap on the name or info icon at the top of the conversation to access the menu. Scroll down to the More Actions section and tap on Search in Conversation. A search bar will appear at the top of the conversation. Type in the message or keyword you want to search for, then tap the search icon on your keyboard. Messenger will display relevant conversations as you type, with your search term highlighted. Scroll through the results to find the specific conversation or message you're looking for. By following these simple steps, you can easily search for and find specific conversations in Facebook Messenger, making it convenient to locate past messages or chats. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.